So today's video is going to be an engagement ring video featuring the brand Kate Sparkle. Kate Sparkle is an online retailer, and they actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review one of their rings on their sites. So I popped over to their site and took a look, and I immediately decided on this style. This is a cushion cut halo style ring, which is a very classic look. So while this may look like a diamond or cubic zirconia, it's actually a lab-grown white sapphire. It comes in this little luxury gift bag, which comes folded up in the box. On the inside is some shredded paper for decoration, so it's a great gift-giving presentation. And the box itself looks like this. It's a simple white box that says Kate Sparkle on the top. Once you open it, there's a black velvet interior, and etched on the top lid is the word Kate Sparkle in silver. They also included this nice little note from Kate herself. So all their rings are made in 925 sterling silver, so they're not going to rust or tarnish on your hand. It's a very high quality feel when you hold the ring. It does have like a weighted feel to it, so it's not like those flimsy sterling silver rings that you get for 20 bucks at like a random store. This ring actually feels really nice. The details are really pretty and intricate right here. There's some pave set stones right here. And even on the bottom portion right over here, it's pretty intricate, and yeah, it's textured on the bottom as well. On the center stone, there are 4 prongs to hold it in place, so it gives it a very symmetrical look. These rings are available from a range of sizes from 5 to 10. They only have whole sizes, so if you need to do a half size or a quarter size, like myself, for example, I ordered a size 6, but I'm really size 5.25, so I'm gonna have to get it sized down if I want to appropriately wear it on my ring finger. But that's generally the case with any jeweler. Oftentimes you will have to get your ring resized anyway, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. The shipping time for this ring was pretty fast. They told me that my estimated day was like a week from now, but it actually came a week early. They're shipping directly from Toronto, Canada. So now we're going to do some close-up shots of the ring. So this is what the ring looks like from a distance. As you can see, it has a lot of sparkle. So this is the front side view of the ring. As you can see, there's that blue sapphire signature stone on either end. If you flip it, it's still there. And look at all the intricate details right here, as well as the pave set stones along the side. The front of the ring looks like this. This is a cushion cut stone with 4 prongs on the side, and it's also a halo setting, meaning there's all these little stones around that center stone. On the inside, they also have the words Kate Sparkle 925, which stands for 925 sterling silver. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and once again, a big thanks to Kate Sparkle for reaching out and sending me this beautiful ring. I'll have a lot of fun wearing it, and I highly recommend it for others as well. If you want an affordable engagement ring or special event ring option, definitely check out their site. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Good.
Thank you.